Hi kids, colors. Kids, in this video we will trace 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 to 10. Let's learn colors name. Red color, black color, sky blue color, violet color, pink color, brown color, blue color, green color, yellow color and orange color, violet color. 1, pink color, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-E-E 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5, 6, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10. Thanks for watching. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.